What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna talk about why it's so important for you to have pre-made folders and what you should have in those folders. So number one, do you have folders made up already? Do you have a stack of folders with all the information that is needed for a new member who might be walking through those doors? You might have a tour today, someone that could be a potential new member. Do you have a folder made up for that person? So when they walk in, you're prepared. You're not fumbling around trying to print off, a contract, trying to print off marketing material. Like, it is already done and it's got everything in it that it needs. So, do you have one? Okay, well, if you do have one, do you have an example that you just leave for the purpose of making sure that anyone on your team would know how to build a folder? Because the example has everything inside of the folder, where it goes, what's in it. So this way they have a visual of like how a folder should be built. That being said, as you can see here, we have this beautiful ActivAge folder. Your daycation awaits. We use this area as a way to like write or personalize someone's name as well. And then inside of the folder, we typically are gonna have our guest pass, our contract, all of our pricing material, any promo material, all that stuff's gonna be in here. So we have all that stuff. Now, even if we were to send them an email with the electronic copies of all that stuff, we have it in this folder so we can go through it with them. Because a lot of times, we want to be able to set expectations in the beginning. We want to be able to like walk through the contract and help them understand what's in there and things that they should be aware of, things that like maybe, might freak them out, but if we can talk to them about it while they're here, they won't be as freaked out when they go home and they read it, because they will have been instructed and been guided through the conversation, through the contract. So that being said, do you have folders made up? Everything is in here: guest pass, contract. We have all of our, our price sheet. We have our additional services that we offer, any promotional stuff that's coming up. These are opportunities that we can invite the family in to come and learn. Say from, in this case, an elder law attorney. We have, we're talking about our referral rewards program. Are they a VA member? We have information on that as well. We got a copy of this month's calendar. We have a checklist here that, makes it easy for the family to understand, okay, what is it that the family needs to bring in or to have in order for their loved one to start, So, we have all the appropriate forms in here for them to get started. So, do you have all that stuff set up? Is it prepared? Do you have multiple copies sitting at the front ready to go when someone walks in the door? You want to look prepared. You want to look like you do this every single day, and that it's not the first time that you're given a tour. That said, if you're interested in starting your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. Make sure you join us for our monthly webinars. Find us on our private Facebook group. And if you'd like to own your very own ActivAge and have these beautiful folders, look at these beautiful folders. Beautiful folders. Then go to activagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.